What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to review the ultimate Acumobility back roller. I've been using this roller for about 3 to 4 months now, and man, the results that I've seen with it have been incredible in the way that it's just really helped my body and how much better my body feels after rolling out with it. So I'm just going to go over some of the highlights about it, what makes it superior to other rollers for helping you to relieve tension, release trigger points, help you become more flexible and get your range of motion back so that your body will be feeling better than ever. The Acumobility Ultimate Back Roller really specializes in enhancing spinal mobility, flexibility, and extension. It has a patented spinal gap. So, when you're rolling with regular rollers, when you're rolling your back out, it really puts a lot of pressure on your spine that could be damaging long term. And this patented spinal gap allows you to be able to roll out your back safely and effectively to get those muscles that may be tight in your back, to be able to loosen them up without the danger of putting any pressure on your spine. And it can also be used all over the body as well. Even though it does specialize in rolling out the back, it is an all-purpose roller that you can use to roll out the different parts of your body to really help you enhance your range of motion and flexibility. And it's also made with a very high density EVA foam. And that's one of the biggest things you'll notice when you start rolling out with this roller compared to others, is just how deep it gets into the muscle tissue to relieve tension and trigger points that you may have in your overactive muscles. I've been rolling with a lot of rollers, and this one by far has gotten into muscles that I didn't even realize were knotty and had tension in them. And it is definitely why I feel so much better rolling out with this one, because of the amount of pressure that this high density EVA foam puts, as well as these nice little trigger point dots that you see in here that really get really deep into the muscle tissues. This roller is also very wide and stable as well. So it's built to be able to support up to 1,000 pounds. So I'm pretty sure every one of you watching this is not at that weight, I hope. And this should be able to support you just fine. It's very wide. You'll find it very easy. You won't be tipping over or anything on it as you roll out the different places of your body. It's really just a great foam roller. It's going to get really deep into that muscle tissue. You'll see a big change when you start rolling out with this one. So those are the highlights about this roller, man. Like I said, I've been using this roller for about 4 months now, and I can attest, man, and also from some other people that I know that have used this roller as well, man, I have seen such great changes in my body, in my muscles, especially my back, and just how they feel, how much better I'm able to perform in the gym, and how much looser and less tense my body feels with using this one. So I definitely recommend this to anybody. If you want to try this out for yourself, if you're somebody that is looking for a high quality foam roller, I'll leave a link in the bio for you to be able to check this out if it's something that you think you want to try and see how it works for you. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this video. And before we leave, I want to give you guys this verse.
And this verse is Hebrews 4:12, which says, "For the word of God is living and active, sharper than any two-edged sword, piercing to the division of the soul and of spirit, of joints and of marrow, and discerning the thoughts and intentions of the heart."
I want to highlight that verse for you guys because, in the same way how we use foam rollers to help relieve muscle tension and help loosen our muscles and help our body feel and perform better, in the same way, man, the word of God is a thing that will help, with the muscle pains and soreness and tension that happens in just our daily lives. So getting in that word every day is not going to only help you, as you're learning yourself, as you're wanting to build and grow in your spiritual walk, in your relationship with God, but it's going to also help you, man, because there's so much richness and fullness in the word of God, and getting in there, learning God, learning yourself. Because one thing that you'll find when you really get into the word is how much it almost reflects back at you and can tell you what's kind of going on with things and give you everything that you need to not just sustain and make it through the challenges and things that life will bring, but will also be able to help elevate you into the person that God made you to be and into the person that you want to become in life. So I definitely encourage you, man, to get in that word, open it up. It's something I personally struggle with to really be consistent in it, but there's so much in the Word of God, and it is the one true thing that is going to breathe life into you, your body, your life, and your wellness. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, definitely be sure to leave a like. Definitely be sure to comment, man. Any feedback, would love to get all the different feedback and questions in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification as well, as I'm always uploading new content every week to help you transform your physique, your health, your wellness, and faith through the foundations of fitness, nutrition, and a relationship with God. So definitely be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of that new content. And be sure to check out some of my other content as well. I'll leave some links in the description for you to be able to check those different videos out that I've already uploaded that I think will further help you. And again, I just want to thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in the next one.